Alright, so I'm doing a time-lapse build of a 351M, and I got to the heads, and it turns out my intake valves have only one groove on them, and my exhaust valves have 4 grooves on them. When I got my cam and lifter kit, the kit only came with 1 groove keepers, so I had to order another set with 4 grooves for the other valves that were in the head. So at the time, I just went ahead and put the stock locks back in until I could get my replacement part. But I figured I'd make a how-to video of how to do this whole process, being that I've never really recorded it before and might as well make a video out of it since I had to do it. What I have here is an air tube adapter piece which I can screw into the spark plug hole, which allows me to pressurize the chamber of the cylinder. Now all you have to do is attach your valve spring compressor tool. You can decompress the spring, pull your locks out if you need to, change your springs out at this time. In my video though, I will be only replacing the locks, as I just need to take the stock ones out and put in the new comp cam ones that fit their retainer.